Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today behind the camera is our daughter Tremel. So we're heading up to see Mr. Granville because we have a number of items that were donated, and so we're making the delivery today, and we're going to be checking in on him to see how he has been doing since the last time we visited. Please remember to like, share, to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video, you will be updated. All right.
I play a tune. Yeah. Mission 931. Aya.
Hey.
Aya. Aya. Go on. Go on.
Hi, Mr. Granville, how you doing?
Sit down, Michelle.
Yes, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. See, because I make tea.
You just
I play two tune there.
oh, you play two tunes.
Yes, sir.
You
And
gonna catch your breakfast?
yes, sir. But me tell you say, me just boil one cup of tea.
Yeah. Say that no water.
Yes, sir. And me have to lean that drum there.
That's all I have to do? Lean it down?
Me have to lean it now because the lady called me from overseas.
Yeah.
And asked me how the water for me tell her, me have to lean it. So she say, she come in a me here.
So she carry water come?
He say, he could have called the truck before he comes still. The truck will just come over the yard there, so. And church she was grassy. They hello Sister Michelle.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm so happy to hear the bright. Me say, to the radio play gospel, me looking sometimes me like drama too.
Oh.
Nice reggae music like Bob Marley.
Okay.
Yes, man. But you know, say Bob Marley tune can play in a church.
Yes.
All of them.
So you're making your tea?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, your drum them empty now.
Yes, I didn't gone way down.
Oh no.
You sure it's not a leak? No more leak?
No, but I'm bad.
Sure, so check it.
No man, pan this one, no wet. But when me say, I'm new, then you see, man.
Oh boy.
When I'm beauty, you see, man. He's a beauty. He's so me say, I want nice type of person, man. There, but
Well, you want to put on the pot? Put this today,
Yes,
put the
ma'am.
pot here.
which parish you from, sir?
Sure, man.
Eh?
Yeah.
Me never know that you don't people what nice. I never know that you don't people what nice.
You want to drink your tea first?
Huh?
You want to drink your tea first?
No, man, me can't.
So you got it there. What you feeling for? The pot cover?
Oh, me
take it up already.
No, the rug that was to hold it. Me got me never carry it out here.
Okay, okay.
But I never had me then kind of turn off the stove. So the pot never had that. Me have to carry the rug come here to hold it.
Oh.
Yes, because put it down the first.
Okay.
I dumpling the fryer.
Then put it down for you.
Yeah.
It's on the table here, yeah?
Yes, it's.
You know, when your tea get cold enough, so tell us so we can wait on you make you drink your
Drink your
tea.
hot tea, man.
Do you have it anything?
Yeah, drink your tea.
Me say the sugar then there you guess me have to do. I put a little while about 8 me put in there.
Someone, oh well, it's that big cup of tea. Go up somewhere.
The sugar
Yes.
me say I do them put in give it in a restaurant.
Yes.
Me say nearly more me put half of this back in the head.
Oh, because you keep mixing and putting in and it's still fresh.
Yeah, me like when me tea sweet.
Okay.
But they say no good. People that tell me want me until no drink nothing too sweet.
Yes.
I mean don't know, but me love things sweet.
You like when it's sweet?
Yes, man.
Oh.
Yes, Sister Rose. Me so happy for her now. When I hear the bike, me say, put the matter like that.
How old is Sister Rose?
Oh, yeah. Sister Michelle, me should say. You see?
Me know Sammy at all.
To me and the lady over there, me so used to her.
Yes.
That me a call.
So you're not used to it?
Yeah?
You're not used to it?
Then Then no, it make you hear me a call her sister Rose.
Easy at all. Oh boy. You want your chair?
Huh?
You want your chair?
Next day, sit here.
Hold on. Sit here. Which one of them you want, by the
The
way?
board one,
Okay.
for like how me clothes, my pants now are ground pants.
Oh, yeah.
1 week me dark ground.
What you doing? Planting?
Me a mole corn, me a plant gungu, and me a stick yam. Me going up now one bush that yesterday go look yam stick. God, if you see me up in the bush, that thing.
Looking.
Yeah. If you see me up in there, you don't say, no man, this man here see good. To me, you sweet place for me a baby. Yes, I don't think can me book up the for me a bikini. In a stone corner, they will dash away.
I'll put them there.
My mother and father dash away in a stone wall.
How you gonna find them now?
Yeah, we tap on them.
Look if money in them, man.
But that time, my money couldn't pen again.
Bank to take it.
Make me happy laugh.
You make me laugh.
Yeah.
You laugh.
Yes. Alright, so while you drink your tea.
Sister me, me hear from the lady the day before yesterday. Me up a ground and me go I want to garden back also. And me go there and to me up, me hear phone ring. And me make it knock you out I want to soak the back there now. That's like how we stay on this so. On the window there.
Oh, you keep the phone in the soap box?
Phone case that.
Yeah, phone case that because when me put in a plastic bag it's sweat out.
Oh, yeah.
And through the hand with dirty and so much. And when me hand try touch she, and she, me say to her, say, I consider she, he say, consider what? Me say, consider, say, I wonder if I sick you sick, me cannot hear from you. So she work on train, and she is nurse.
Oh.
So she said, anytime me not hear from her, she doing the nurse work.
Okay.
For to work job she have. Yes, but when she depend on the train, she can talk to me anytime.
Yes.
Yeah, so when me not here, when me go get rice meal up on the train, upon the nursing work. Yeah. And me say, me a consider that wonder. You say, wonder what? You say, I wonder if you sick, you feel sick. He said, no man go.
Yes, you know, drink your tea, you know, you only mix it. Me I go make you drink it.
And you sweet, you know?
You're sure you're not too sweet?
No man, not too sweet now.
Okay.
So if you come now, no hunger.
You want there with the hunger, but
Yes, you have one. Sit right here.
Sometimes I can't, but I really want the hunger.
Let me see, man.
That one there? I'm your man, drink enough tea, you know. If you want water, you say I hold enough. Show you what not that there. You
want 1.5.
Yeah. Now, oh God, me have to go drink a case of put on the ground. Yes, when you drink this is a road and me no drink all the whole life one time.
Oh.
We cover up and go and the garden and work and then we come back me drink the other half.
Oh, okay.
Cold that time?
Huh?
That time I cold.
Sometimes me hot up with and sometimes me just drink it cold silly.
Oh, kind of tea name same way, not
Yeah. So sometimes me drink it cold silly.
Almost.
Party already. Yeah, come back to me.
No problem, man.
Drink your tea, man.
And it's something they were give me and the last night me short night. Huh?
What's that?
What something I want tall buckle.
Oh, the creamer, coffee creamer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I bought me trying at it. Give thanks. Right, because something we cover head.
We cover the
Yes, I cover this one.
here.
Thanks very much.
You are welcome.
Okay.
Tea time over for now.
And then, yes, I take time over here right now.
You should drink more tea, man.
Huh?
Should drink
A coffee, you know. So Likkle job make me feel bad. So they me no eat something, you know, make me feel like me no want no food.
Oh.
I so coffee chain, and then you know week again is strong. If you like coffee, you know eat food.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So Mr. Granville will bring us some things this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So you remember when we had said to you that the donor from New York should have sent you a number of things already, but we keep forgetting the tarpaulin.
Oh.
So see, we carry it this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and we also bring some groceries from her as well for you.
Yes, you tell me.
All right.
Yes.
So see a tarpaulin here.
Okay.
Yes, and she sent the rope as well for see the rope here.
Okay.
She sent the rope for tie it up.
Yes. Thanks very much. Blessing to each and every one.
Yes.
They better
Yes.
bother.
Yes, sir.
Please, you have to show me how to use this.
No, don't tell me what you want if you tie up and we tie.
Oh.
A tarpaulin, you know.
Yes, ma'am. So, like when rainy time now we can put up rainy time.
Yeah, put it, anywhere the water come in, you can use it and put it up there.
Yeah.
It's a temporary fix.
Yes, ma'am. Oh. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so we also have some groceries from her as well, and in addition to that, we
So this is something where
these are the rope.
okay. We can tie up like say 4 corner.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thanks very much. We can take care of the table because it's a full of the table there now.
Oh, here, come this way.
Window you have to dip on?
Not in the room.
Oh, you put in a room?
Yes, sir.
Oh, all
Yes,
right.
Sister May.
Just drop it there.
Yes, sir. Yes, Sister May.
It's in the corner here.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks, sister.
Actually, window you going on?
Through the window.
Through the window.
So it's below the window on the floor.
So me never have to get the door
No,
yet.
sir. I said you want to cut out one doorway there, son.
You want me answer, but you can't. Guess what happened? Guess what happened? You have one grill there, you know.
Yeah.
So the key lost.
Oh.
And would have to use one, not them thing hacksaw.
You want if you cut off?
To cut off it that you can walk here so come out. Yeah. But here what happen now? They build the place in a way that when the water run outside,
Yeah.
and you so down, the water come right in.
Oh.
It then build the door higher up, put the door higher up now, you see?
Yes.
Where you put something outside so?
So you want to run out?
Right. Because I make you know what they want. They say, so you put one plastic there so now? The plastic is there, you see?
Yeah.
They come down and Minister of Labour, they come put up in there.
Oh.
Pardon, Minister of Labour. Yes. And he give me one boot pan at the time. But I don't know, no about 10 years or more.
Yeah.
And maybe the boot every day and the boot can't match up, you know?
Don't you try to mash up your phone?
Me say me go on the ground with the boot, tell me I go here, go. And me look and say the boot can't match up, me just carry down and wash up and polish it. And I will put it in the pampering tape and one she give me. Me tell her, I say no.
All right, so in addition to that, we have another donor out of UK, Val from the UK, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And him asked us to buy you a case of water, which
Yes,
we
ma'am.
carried this morning,
Yes, ma'am.
and some salting. So you know, your salting be ready.
Salting,
It's salting.
that is...
Your saltfish and your mackerel.
Oh,
And
salting.
your onion and then something
Yes,
there.
salting.
Yes, and some tin food.
Yes.
Yes, man. So
Gee whiz.
so we're resting it on the table here.
Yes, sister.
And you have a case of water. Yes.
Gee whiz. I miss I want out of barrel me a drinking.
Oh, so you have a case here. Put it under your table, okay?
Yes, sister me.
All right. So we have to say thanks to our donor out of New York, and also thanks to Val out of the UK for your donation. God bless you richly.
Yes. Better Val, you say?
Yes.
From
UK.
Better Val, from UK. God richly bless you all. And bless you richly in a special way. and all your family then, from the youngest one to the eldest one.
Yes.
Yeah.
And our don out of New York should have sent you the tarpaulin and some groceries as well.
Yes. And the person from New York who sent the tarpaulin and thing, God richly bless you in a special way. And bless you richly and your family. And thanks very much for all that you have done for me. And I love you all.
Yes. That's the spirit.
Yes. Love to all, you all.
Yes,
Each and
sir.
every one. Yeah. Thanks. And
What you have to say now?
huh?
What you have to say?
And then I say thanks to all.
Yes, you said that
the
already.
donors all over the world. And I would like to say thanks to Sister Michelle.
You don't like to sing one song?
Huh?
You don't like to sing one song today?
After
After
I gone the other day, while you're there, I when we got church the other day, while you're there, I said, Tappy, me hear you, me see you sing about your father. I say, you could I sing, man?
You see that?
I say, you could I sing?
Yeah, producer.
When the lady again tell me again, say, they never know I me could I sing. They never know the Papa we could I sing. They never know the Papa we could I sing. They say me pull up a lyrics, me pull up a rhyme. They never know the Papa we could I sing.
Oh, you're full of rhythm.
Yes.
Yes, man.
But then, you know, here many people might say that.
Make me hear this.
They never know the brother that we could have seen. Lord, they never know the brother that we could have seen. And when they hear me with the rhyme, they say me no come no crime. They never know the papa that we could have seen. They say chung lang jang lang jing lang jang chung lang jang jang ding. Ding dang 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 ding dang dang ding ding dong ding dang dang. They say me sing like a Chinese. I mean no come from China. They say me sing from like Chinese. I mean no come from China. Me say chung lang chang lang ting dang dang ting lang dang dang dang. Ting dang 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 ting dang dang ting dang 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 dang.
Chinese stuffy.
Yeah.
Chinese stuffy.
Chinese stuffy. Chinese stuffy.
Yes, man.
Chinese stuffy. They say, Sister Michelle, and Brother Basil.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Me I tell you, say, God bless the day. That's the first day that I talked to them. I spoke with you.
Yes.
Well, me say, although been a blessing to me. Me say, man, more and tongue can't tell.
Yeah.
Yes, then you know, say no. A lot of person, I say, Lord, Staffy, no one, everywhere they see me, they say, Staffy, you're a big man, because you're there all over the world. Yes, they say me there all over the world. People tell me about them, see me, people drive and truck apart, and they might call to me. They don't know me name, me no.
Yeah.
But they might call to me and big me up.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
They say a celebrity.
Huh?
They say a celebrity.
Oh, celebrities.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, popular. That is celebrity.
You don't know that one there, but you know the word popular.
Yeah, me know popular. Good man.
Yes.
Which part is him?
Huh?
Which part is him?
What do you mean?
Popular.
Popular?
How you see him?
Tinta no beer. Yeah, tinta no beer.
You that tell of this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Because you know, yes, I want to say, to all those people all over the world and both Jamaica and abroad, mother and to Sister Michelle and Brother Basil and his family and everybody, mother used to say, and oh Lord, I thank you for your principle. Lord, you said I must have faith, and I thank you for your principle. Because without faith, Lord, it's impossible to please you. So I have faith, Lord, because faith can move mountains. Faith can move mountains. Faith can move mountains.
Yes.
Lord, I have faith. If someone does me anything wrong, Lord, I don't call them up. I don't keep malice, cause I'm leaning on your word. Oh, Lord, I don't keep malice, no matter what they done to me. Cause you came to set us free.
Yes, yes, yes.
You're so marvelous, you're so excellent. Lord, there's none like you. That's why I just calling on you. Lord, I have faith, cause faith can move mountains. Lord, I have faith, so that is your principle. If I love, said I love you, Lord, and I don't love the people that I see, I know that I'm a liar. I'm a liar if I say I love you and I don't love the one I see. So I thank you, Lord, for your principle. If anyone done me something wrong and it hurt me so bad, I forgive them. But that is your principle. Missing again, Lord, I forgive them, cause that's your principle. I'm walking down the narrow way, and it's a hard way to go. But I won't turn back, I'm just looking forward. So keep hold my hand, Lord, and lead me where you want me to go. Lord, I know you're not gonna give up on me, cause you come to set me free. When I look on the Calvary cross and everything that you've been through, Lord, I lift you up on earth and I lift you up in heaven. I lift you up in the element and firmament. Lifting again.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. It's stuffy.
me just make you guys sing a new song.
Yeah, sing a new song.
Yes, a new song me sing.
Yes.
Oh, yes. This is Papa Staffy, otherwise called Mr. Granville. And I come with this musical hits coming your way. You're gonna say, dum dum bum 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 Jesus, what a way you sweet, Mr. Jesus, what a way you sweet, Jesus, member say you tell me say you're not living nor forsake me, so me say Jesus, what a way you sweet, Jesus you sweet, Jesus you sweet, Jesus you sweet, Jesus you sweet, Lord you sweet, you kill me cross the Red Sea, Jesus, you make me cross the Red Sea. Remember Paul and Silas, both were in prison. A great earthquake come and pop off the prison lock. So Jesus, you good, you good man. Jesus, you good, you good man. Remember Joseph, how they treat him and fling him in a prison. And what the enemy means for evil, Lord, you turn it for good.
Yes.
Oh Lord, me say you lead your sweet. Oh Lord, you sweet. Making again. Lord, you sweet.
Sweet, sweet.
Oh Lord, you sweet. So people all over the world, Jamaican abroad, all over the world, I want to listen to my beyond song, listen to me song, and who could never go wrong. Jesus, you sweet, you sweet, to Jesus, you sweet.
Yes.
You take me across the Red Sea. When I was gone, and your king was coming back on me.
Yes,
Jesus, you sweet.
Yes.
You sweet, Jesus, you sweet. I just stretch out me rod and this Red Sea part. So what a way you sweet, Lord. What a way you sweet. Remember Paul and Silas, what was in prison. You say a great earthquake come and pop off the lock. And the water then did frighten. They say the prisoner them gone.
After that, Papa.
Yeah. They think they will not go, but they say they still there. They're gone away.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, no song man, you go on guitar.
You can play guitar?
No, but me can blow motor.
Oh.
If me want, I don't didn't. I tell them, man. From the time he make me one rhythm, bang, 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 bang.
But if you have the motor gun, how you are going to sing?
You have to just play music.
No,
Play music.
me sing, after me sing now,
You
because
play.
blow the motor gun, yes, like Ray Richard. Yes. You tell me get back to the singing again. Yes. Until me get back to the singing again.
Yeah, you know how to work it.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Mm-hmm. So, and me can make whole heap of new song, man.
Yeah, man.
The Jesus.
Yes.
Who was he? For Jesus, they must sing him a new song.
Yes.
Yeah. Sing him a new song.
Sing my new song.
Yes.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, Lord, I thank you for your people them that call by your name. I thank you for all of them that you sent to rescue me. I was down for so long, and Lord, you send your people them to create me and lift me up high. Lord, I'm right on, I ride so high. Jesus, you good man. Jesus, you send your people them from here and abroad to help me when I was down and out. That's why I love you and I love the people I see. I know some will love me and some will hate me, that Lord you know. But I'm going through your mercy and your grace. Lord, I thank you for your grace and mercy. Lord, remember, say you said, you not leave me, not forsake me. Lord, remember, say you said.
Lord, I tell Lord, remember, say him say. Wow. You don't forget, man, you don't forget.
Then you say, no forget. You know, man. You know, man. But I want you to be here. You want you to love you, see that? The Lord that the video was testified. And the Lord say, Jesus, remember, I pray, no. Yes, I pray. She said, Lord, remember, say, you know. That's what I do. Because I laugh. But the Lord, they must remember, say, yes, man. This day so nice. Very nice.
Yes. That's where you go.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being with us. Thanks to all our donors. Thank you to everybody who continue to support us and the work that we do. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, General.